Beautiful friends, good morning. Welcome to the garden with me. I'm just a little bit frustrated. I'm not in the mood to do anything on the garden, which is yesterday I purchased more gingers. I was supposed to be happy today, but that's not what I feel. I don't know why. Cause I was watching my ring bell. There was somebody guys was trying to get in my house. The only reason I didn't talk to them is because I was having a bad dream, and then when I wake up and check my phone, I saw I have something in the front, and when I check, I saw a guy, and I rewinded, and I saw a guy in the front of the door. He was like 2:30, and I don't know what he was doing, and I don't know. I wake up. I was supposed to be grateful. Maybe that person have a lot of bad intention. God was protecting me, but for some reason, I am not. I am I don't feel me in the mood to be gardening this morning. I don't know how people can think they can come and do stuff like this. Usually I check. Usually when I'm sleeping, if my phone show me there's a notification, I check. But like I said, I was having a bad dream. That's the reason I didn't talk to that person. I was gonna scare him out, but I was dreaming. But now I wake up not being happy. Well, friends, I'm gonna go and I don't know what can bring me happiness. What I'm gonna go today is just sit down. That's all I'm gonna do. I did have planned to bring that thing over here. I think I'm taking a break. I will take a break from the garden. Thank you, friends, for watching.